Welcome back. This is Crochet 101 and we're going to be talking about crocheting. First, the tools of crochet. You have your skein of yarn, which can come in different textures and different colors. And you have your crochet needle, which also comes in different sizes and different colors depending on what you're going to be crocheting and the type of yarn that you're going to be using. A crochet hook has the hook at the end, and it has a flat part right here where you'll be holding it at as you do your crochet. And you can see they come in different sizes and different colors. The other thing that's handy is to have a pair of scissors. These scissors actually fold so that they're smaller and you can put all of your equipment in a nice little bag like this. The other thing that you'll need are your instructions. These are instructions for a scarf. Very simple. You just need to know two basic steps, the chain stitch and the single crochet stitch. Your instructions for anything that you make are going to tell you a couple of things. First, it's going to tell you the type of yarn that you need. Sometimes it even tells you the color if you want to make it exactly like the picture, or you can go and get the type of yarn and use whatever color that you like. The second thing it will tell you is the size of crochet hook that you will need for your project. And the other thing that I might tell you is a gauge to let you know if you're crocheting too tightly or too loosely. So then the last thing that it will tell you is the steps to make the product. Thank you. Okay, as we left off before, these are the instructions. We have the materials, the type of crochet hook, what your finished size will be, and the gauge to let you know if you're crocheting too tightly or too loosely, and then your instructions. The first instruction is to make a slip knot. So here we're going to do a slip knot. You're going to take your yarn and make a straight line, and then you're going to take your end and make a 6. Then you're going to take your end and go underneath of that straight line and go around to make a little pond. Then you're going to go inside the pond, take your end and pull it with the long piece of string, and there is your slip knot. Alright? Let's try it one more time. You have your long piece of yarn, you make a 6, you go under and then over, and then you take your end and go underneath and up, grab this part and pull, and there's your slip knot. So the first thing that you do is you do a chain stitch. A chain stitch is like this. You take your needle, we're holding it with the thumb and the pointer finger on the flat part, stick it in the slip knot, and this is how I'm holding my yarn. It's around my pointer and my pinky is kind of helping me with the tension. Then I have my thumb and my middle finger holding the work. I take the needle, go on top of the yarn, hook it, and bring it through the knot. Go on top of the yarn, hook it, bring it through the knot. As I'm working, I'm going to move my thumb and my middle finger up to grab the work to help with the tension. So I go on top of the yarn, I hook it, bring it through the knot. Hook it, bring it through the knot. For this particular project, it wants us to chain 16. 16 chains. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And there we have our chain stitch of 16. Now, the instructions say for row 2, we're going to do a single crochet stitch that is one chain away from the hook. Here is our hook. In the single crochet chain, see all these chains here? There's 16 of them. This one is the closest to the hook, so we're going to go into this one. Single crochet, you go into the hook, grab the material, pull it through, grab some more material and pull it through both hooks. I'll show that again. You go in the chain, grab the yarn, pull it through, grab some more yarn, pull it through both hooks. Go into the chain, grab some yarn, pull it through the chain, grab some yarn, pull it through both hooks. Go through the chain, grab some yarn, pull it through both hooks. Go through the chain, grab some yarn, pull it through, grab it again, pull it through. That's a single crochet. And we keep on doing this all the way across. Now, to show you one last stitch that you can use is a double crochet. A double crochet is basically the same pattern, except first, I'll show a single crochet. We went in through the chain, we grabbed yarn, pulled it through the chain, grab yarn, pull it through both hoops. For double crochet, we wrap our hook around first, and then we go into the chain, grab some yarn, pull it up. Now you've got 3 loops on your hook. Grab some yarn, pull it through 2 hoops, grab some yarn, pull it through 2 hoops again. There you have a double crochet. Let's do it one more time. Grab some yarn, go through a chain, grab some yarn, pull it through, grab some yarn, 2 loops, grab some yarn, 2 loops. There's your double crochet. So you can see the difference between double crochet is taller than the single crochets. So what you would like to do is, for a complete row, do one type of stitch. Like do one whole row of single crochet, then you turn it around, turn your product around, and then do the next row of maybe a double crochet. Turn it around, and then do the next row of single crochet, whatever the pattern says for you to do. I hope this was helpful for you, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.